6 millionaire secrets on how to live wealthy in your 20s. Number 1. Living above your means. From my perspective, if you want to set yourself up for the rest of your life financially in your 20s, are the best time to live below your means, delay gratification and save religiously. Not to mention, practically no one expects you to live lavish in your 20s anyway. You can easily get away with living with roommates, driving an old car, wearing sweatpants every day, and not eating out, because most people do that in their 20s anyway. So embrace it and lean into that stereotype, because you can only get away with that for so long before it starts to be less socially acceptable. Number 2, don't ignore your credit score. If you don't have any credit whatsoever right now, just go and sign up for a Discover It Secure card with a $300 limit. Put a few minor expenses on the card every few months and pay it off in full. That's right, building your credit score is that easy. It will take you maybe 5 minutes per month to do this, and as long as you slowly add more no annual fee credit cards into the mix every 6 to 8 months and pay your bill in full and on time, you can easily get an amazing credit in 2 to 3 years for $0 out of pocket. Number 3, don't want for things to happen. Here's what you need to know. Nothing will happen if you don't take the initiative to make it happen. And this is a shame because no one is taught to go after their own goals on their own without being told what to do. If there's something you want, it's up to you to make it happen. If you have a goal, you'll need to actively work towards it. There's no deadline, there's no homework, there's no test, it's just you. For better or for worse, you need to learn to hold yourself accountable for everything you do, and only you will keep yourself on track. Number 4, don't play it too safe. It could be in business, moving careers, relationships, or just about anything that is a big move in life. The reason why is everything new experience will come with knowledge that you can use in the future. Not to mention, getting in the habit of putting yourself in uncomfortable situations now is going to make it a lot easier to continue doing that in the future, and those are where your best opportunities usually are. Number 5, no one has an idea what they're doing. So, just take comfort knowing that you're not alone. If you're still figuring things out, or if you're disappointed you don't feel like you have it all figured out, that feeling probably won't go away. But once you know that everyone else feels the same way, it's normal, and it gets a lot better to cope with. Number 6, don't worry about things that haven't happened yet. Instead, in your 20s, spend your time thinking about the most likely scenario and think about how you work towards something, not how you can work away from something. Mental energy is something that goes a long way, and if you're wasting your time stressing about things that don't matter, that's less time you can focus on what does matter and what will actually get you ahead. Wow! I know what you're thinking. That was a little short, but today I thought I would give you a strong hit after hit of tips, tricks and techniques and take out the fluff today. I hope you still found it valuable. I mean, we could probably both agree that it doesn't matter how long the blog is, what matters is the value that is inside it, right? And let's be honest, you don't really want to read millions of words, do you? So, with that said and done, if you want the shortcut to success in your financial life, click the link below and you will be invited to a mini course made by Adam and Justin. They will both guide you A to Z on the tips, tricks and techniques used to keep growing and succeeding in your life, even if you're a complete beginner or a master at business. The link will be in the description below. Yes, Aventigo, I want an A to Z roadmap to financial success so I can become a boss in my 20s and over. Take care, my entrepreneur friend, And remember, greatness is within. By Ventigo. Bye, everybody. And remember, the link is in the description below.